get your head right. Bad man, I say tonight, how you dead night. You get caught in a copper eye when you butter you.
Welcome to Georgia. Woo!
Can you play some more? Can you play some more? Lift it up, jack it up, pull it up, come again. Can you play some more? Can you
Cows again. Look at the hill. Ooh, so beautiful. Woo. Georgia. Woo. So excited. So right now, my siblings, grandparents, have like a little birthday party going on. So I'm gonna vlog it and show you guys. I'm so out of breath because they have stairs, but yeah, I look really cute. I'm gonna show you guys my OTD. Okay, so this is the fit. Let me walk closer. This is the dress for the fit tonight. Super, super cute. I love it. So this is the dinner, guys. Yummy. Got some cake, guys. We have like a special event at my grandma's party, so I'm gonna show you guys the vlog. It's gonna be like a little mini vlog of the party. She has no idea that we booked this event for her, and yeah, it's gonna be really, really fun. A whole bunch of family time in Atlanta, Georgia, and yeah. All this luxurious food. Hi guys. Woo!
happy
Birthday to you. Birthday to you.
happy birthday to you. Happy
Birthday to you.
them on the rock. Run that at 3 hours.